Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echo, ache ogun, ache osiosun, ache badala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochun, ache yamaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe.
How the Opon Divination tray is used. A Babalawo primarily uses an Opon Ifa divination tray to mark the Odu Ifa signs while communicating with Ifa. He will sit in front of an open door or window on a straw mat, facing east with the bottom of the tray closest to him. The Babalawo will spread Iyerosun Powder evenly throughout the tray, making sure it is completely covered. This will allow for the marking of an Odu as they are revealed through communication with Ifa. The invocation of Ifa starts with an Ifa prayer known as Moyuba. While reciting the Moyuba prayer, the diviner will make use of the Irukere Ifa, or diviner's tapper. This is used to make noise by tapping the Opon Divination tray while praying the Moyuba prayer to invoke Ifa. Acknowledgement and homage are properly demonstrated to all entities including Olodumare, Orumila, Orishas, and Egun as part of the invocation process. Once the attention of Ifa has been obtained, the diviner will commence with communicating with Ifa about the topic a person or community is seeking advice and guidance for. The diviner will use Ikin Ifa, which are sacred palm nuts, in combination with the Opon Divination tray and Iyerosun Powder for the Ifa Divination. This method of divination is also known as Dafa. The communication with Ifa will reveal the Odu to the diviner, at which point it will be marked in the Iyerosun Powder. You can learn more about the Ikin Ifa divination system and other topics about Ifa by following the provided links throughout and at the end of this video. The Odu will contain the information that aligns to the question or issue being investigated. Knowing this information will help bring clarity and deeper understanding of what is being asked during the consultation. This ultimately aids in better informed decision making. The Opele may also be used in combination with the Opon, but it is not a requirement. A Babalawo or Iyanifa will start the process of divining using Ikin sacred palm nuts and can end the divination session with Opele chains. This may depend on the time available for the divination session. Consulting Ifa using Ikin Ifa sacred palm nuts involves more steps to retrieve an Odu compared to using the Opele chain. In this next section, we will talk about Iyerosun Powder. Iyerosun Powder is used for Ikin Ifa divination. It is spread evenly across the top of the Opon Ifa divination tray, creating a thin layer of the powder. This allows the Babalawo to mark the Odu Ifa while divining with Ikin sacred palm seeds. Ifa divination powder is a natural organic substance that comes from the Iyerosun tree. This tree is believed to have strong energy connections with the spiritual world. The powder is created by termites breaking down the tree, in other words, termite dust. Iyerosun is a requirement for Ikin Ifa divination. Without it, the Babalawo or Iyanifa will not be able to mark the Odu Ifa. You can learn more about the structure of an Odu Ifa sign and other topics about Ifa by following the provided links throughout and at the end of this video. If you would also like to hear more about Ifa divination tools, please click on the video named Ifa Divination Tools Part 3.
Have a blessed and positive day, I say.